Hey guys, it's Christopher here. It's Friday morning and we came out to the outdoor track to see how it's looking, and it's looking pretty cool. Show it to you guys now. Gonna take you guys on a little track walk. Come down the long straight carrying lots of speed, down into here, through the 90-degree right-hand corner. Gonna hit this funky, cool tabletop double. Gonna turn right on this tabletop corner. Come off the tabletop into another right-hand corner. Up and over the single. Gonna make a right 180. Go up another single. Make a left 180 into a miniature straightaway. Take a left 90 and hit this huge triple jump. Probably looks a lot smaller on camera than it does actually looks. Gonna make a little left down another small straightaway. Take a left 180. Go into a rhythm section, probably just a double-double. Go along this big right sweeper. Down another little straight. Pop this pretty big double into the corner. Make another right sweeper. Over to this left-handed 180 man turn. Another right 180. Go back down the straight, and that'll be a lap at the new rifle remote control park track. Hope you guys enjoyed the little preview we had. Track should be a lot of fun. I'm excited to go racing tomorrow. If we have the race, the track still needs some work, but yeah, should be a lot of fun. Thanks.